4S7 Alpha Bravo, 4S7 Jail. Good evening, Kamal. Go ahead.
Okay, 4S7 Jail, 4S7 Alpha Bravo. Good evening, Jali. 4S7 Alpha Bravo, copying you 5 by 9, over.
4S7 Alpha Bravo, 4S7 Jail. Good evening, Kamal, and you also hitting 5 by 7, 5 by 9 with me. Running around 25 watts at the moment on my 6 element Yagi. Back to you, 4S7 Alpha Bravo, 4S7 Jail.
Okay, 4S7 Jail, 4S7 Alpha Bravo. Okay, fine, Jali. I'm running about 25 to 30 watts from this side, and the antenna is a Yagi 7 element pointing to Colombo side from here. So I think the distance between us is about 50 kilometers almost. So very good copy on FM mode on 6 meters. 4S7 JL, 4S7 Alpha Bravo.
4S7 Alpha Bravo, 4S7 Jail. Okay, Kamal. Thank you very much for the nice contact there. Thank you once again. 73 and see you down the log. 4S7 Alpha Bravo, 4S7 Jail.
4S7 JL, 4S7 Alpha Bravo. QSO Jalia. We have fine weather here. We had a lot of rain today after almost 1 month. Very nice cool weather. The breeze coming from outside. I have opened the window also after a long time during this time. So 73 is thanks for the call and good DX, and we'll see you again. 4S7 JL, 4S7 Alpha Bravo.
4S7 Alpha Bravo, 4S7 Jail. Okay, Kamal. More or less same WX here. Thank you once again. 73. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.